Hey, do you have 30 minutes? Great, because I'm about to show you how you can make a delicious taco bowl that is perfect for weeknights and allows you to stop overthinking what's for dinner. Let's go.
Okay, so with this, I am taking my yellow potatoes that I have washed and I'm putting them in my chopper to get the diced shape that I'm looking for. You can find this in the description below if you're looking for a quick and easy vegetable and potato chopper. But yeah, I'm chopping up my yellow potatoes that I washed, and then I'm going to season them with my favorite seasonings, which is usually Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, a little bit more salt, and smoked paprika. Those are my favorite seasonings to use for potatoes. For the potatoes, I love to throw them in my air fryer at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer or you don't want to use it, it's perfectly fine. You can throw these potatoes in the oven at 400 degrees about 20 to 25 minutes. But just to keep this meal under 30 minutes, I love to throw them in the air fryer so that I can work on the protein for my taco bowl without worrying. Okay, so I am about to cook up my protein today, or in this video, I'm sorry, I was using carne asada. So I took the carne asada I got from the store and I added my favorite seasonings, which is Kinder's carne asada seasoning. So much flavor, and I love using it anytime I'm cooking steak, for tacos, for bowls. So I'm gonna use the carne asada seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, some pepper, and that's really it. The carne asada seasoning has a lot of flavor, so I don't really need to use a lot. But yeah, you guys are gonna see me season up the carne asada, and then I'm gonna let that cook, and then it's gonna be time to assemble the bowls. Okay, so feeding my family, besides potatoes, we also get the 90 seconds cilantro lime rice from the store. So good. This rice has so much flavor. So if you're not a potato person, but you want to have rice, I recommend getting the 90 seconds cilantro lime rice. Very quick to do. Throw that in the microwave, and then you have rice ready to go for your taco bowls. So I have the rice. I want to also have the potatoes, and then I'm going to assemble my bowl, which is potatoes, the carne asada, some Monterey Jack cheese, and then I'm going to top it with some pico, some guac, and some sour cream, cilantro, and lime. Very quick to do. Perfect for weeknights when you are busy and you don't want to overthink what to cook for dinner. Delicious and filling at the same time. And so again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, just giving some recommendations for different meals that you can make during the week when it's busy and you don't want to spend all night in the kitchen. And so again, if you guys don't mind, leave your girl a like, comment down below what are your favorite toppings in your taco bowl, and then also subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I would love to have you a part of the community. But until next time, you guys be blessed, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Here it is, my lime.